Greetings, I'm EJ Josephson with
VaporBlastPros.com.
We're a division of RoadandTrackSpecialist.com. We're located in the beautiful hill country of Texas, in the city of Wimberley, right between Austin and San Antonio. And this is our Vixen Aquablast 915.
VaporBlastPros.com
is a full-service surface preparation company, but we do, because of our association with RoadandTrackSpecialist.com, a lot of power sports related components. So today we're going to take you through the cleaning process of a classic DELLORTO carburetor from Italy. So we're going to go ahead and disassemble this thing and show you what it's like to clean a carburetor inside our Aquablast 915.